Hi, today I'm for the new Redmi A1 Plus and I'll show you how to scan QR codes with our device help. So just to scan QR codes with our Redmi device, we should find the scanner application and open it. Here click yes, I agree while using the app, and now we should place our QR code inside on this frame. So just let's do it. Wait a second, and now we can see here this link, so we can go to the website directly just by click it here. So no thanks. And now we can see that this is the Wikipedia article. Also get one more way how we can do that. Just open the control panel and find here the scan icon. If you don't see here this option, just click to edit titles icon and find scanner. Just to edit, you should hold and drag this icon to the subsection, then click to done. After that, just click to scanner icon to activate this application, and just by the same way you should place the QR code into the frame and just open this website. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.